how to fix your AirPods keeps switching between new devices. So let's get straight into the video. So generally this happens because of a couple of these reasons right over here. What you need to do is firstly, you want to simply turn off automatic ear detection on all your Apple devices. Go to settings, Bluetooth, and next to your AirPods, turn off automatic ear detection. Then you want to simply go ahead and connect to one device at a time. Disconnect your AirPod from other devices and use them only with the device you want to stay connected to. If that is still not working, you want to try disabling the handoff on another device. Just go to Settings, General, AirPlay and Handoff, and turn off handoff on another device. You can also sign out of the iCloud on your unused device if it is still causing the problem. If not, you can simply go to the Bluetooth settings and tap on I next to the AirPod and tap on forget this device. If none of it still working, then you want to try turning off Bluetooth on unused devices or even restart your device. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more questions,